Hey guys, this is my first tutorial and I'm really nervous. But anyway, this is my hair tutorial. Okay, let's go. I'll just show you guys how I really work with Photoshop CS6. I usually just use the default brushes. I'm gonna show you how to make a brush first. First of all, have a new canvas. Open up a new canvas. Mine is 400 by 400 pixels. And you gotta have different versions of the dots, different opacity, different sizes. Okay, fill it up in that little square you got. So that will be our default hairbrush. For the brush settings, the brush tip's shape, it has to have 1% spacing, not 0, 1%. Girl, 1%. And then it'll be the shape dynamic. So go over to control. There's a tab over there that says off pen pressure. Click pen pressure. Click that. And then at this little tab here, transfer, and click pen pressure. When you stroke it over, the brush stroke should look like this. And not like that or whatever. You gotta have fun with that. So you have fun with this brush and see how you brush stroke it. Now we're gonna try to make the highlight brush. So from the same canvas as before, just take away some dots. Make it minimal. Make it a few, just a few. But still have a lot of variation of sizes and opacity, okay? Just fewer than the default one. You have the highlight brush for later on when you want to add details on top, like where the sunlight hits onto the surface of the hair. So let's do some exercise. Okay, let's create a ball. The top left corner will be our light source. Hair is actually really reflective. They have this specular around it. So you have to actually study how light falls towards the hair. With our normal brush, you just add on more stroke by stroke. Okay, then now use the highlight brush, adding in between hair, like this black highlight, this yellow white highlight, in between strokes that make it more photorealistic. And then just add on some stray hairs. It will look more natural. Whose hair is that flat? Unless you're Kim Kardashian, right? So I'm going to just show you how I do it with Jean. How to apply this exercise of how the light lands onto the surface of the hair and then putting it into application. With Jean, right? Compared to the exercise which is black and white. But over here I had to play with colors. I really love colors. I had to color pick some of the colors from his skin. You have to take note sometimes when you're actually coloring hair that there is a reflectiveness. I wanted to translate that on top of Jin's hair. And you just gotta make sure to blend in the colors with white and the black. At the side, as you can tell, there's this thin blueness towards it because the blue from the hoodie actually reflects to Jin's hair. Guys, just observe sometimes, when light just lands on the surface of hair. And yeah, add on the stray hairs to make it more realistic. White stray hairs, black stray hairs, blue stray hairs. Try to make it as realistic as possible. I don't want to make it look stiff. Hair has this lively bounce to it as well. So there's always those that curves, those S curves, that curls. And yeah, that's my Jean Maple. hope you like this tiny little tutorial. I'm sorry my voice sound kind of monotone, and I'm sorry about my accent is so bad. Like, this is what globalization happens to you. Okay, thank you for watching. Please like this video if you want more of it, and tell me in the comments below what you think could be better. So thank you for watching.